Hey, what's up producers? If you want to stop your bass and kick from clashing and nail your mix every time, watch this video because today your kick will cut through your mix and you will get that punch you're looking for using the Fabfilter Pro C2 compressor plugin in Ableton Live. So you have this awesome bass line you've been working on, you're happy with it, but now you've got a problem. The bass and the kick share the same frequency range, and the bass is overpowering the kick, so you're asking yourself, how do I stop my bass and kick from clashing? Well, don't waste any time and use Sidechain Compression now, so the level of your kick triggers the compressor to control the level of your bass. Let me show you what it does. After Sidechain compression, we can hear the kick much better and there is no more low and rumble. If you want a powerful bass line or a sub like this one, subscribe now and check out these tutorials after this video. There is everything you need to know. Now, let me walk you through the process so you can nail your mix, and if you stick around until the end of this video, you will learn an important bonus tip so you will not make any mistake. Add Fabfilter Pro C2 to the bass channel, or like in this example, to the bass bus, and set the sidechain output to the kick. You can also use Ableton's compressor, but Pro C2 has more settings to create different and more precise pumping effects. Set the compressor to external and apply a high-pass filter at 50 Hz. Ratio 4, style opto, attack 1 millisecond and release 60 milliseconds. Adjust the threshold to your taste. Here, 12 dB might seem a lot, but this is what I need for this kick bass mix. 5-6 dB is usually a good place to start. Take your time with the hold. With longer hold times, you can achieve nice pumping effects, ensuring that the bass really ducks out of the way when the kick hits. If you hear a click, enable the look ahead, but this will cause additional latency. Now, let's say the whole mix. And this is how you get a kick that nicely cut through the mix, perfect for your electronic music tracks. Now, here's that bonus tip. Leave the auto gain off and adjust the volume manually. The peak output level of your signal pre and post compressor must match, so you know exactly what the compressor does to your audio. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more techno production tips.